quick rundown how I built this light for nothing. And first of all, the tripod I found in a dumpster, and it was nothing wrong with it. Everything worked. And this aluminum light dome was from an old clamp trouble light that was all screwed up, so I gutted it out and saved the lamp part. The LED was an old work light that I took apart and took the guts out, and I adapted the voltage with a used cord and transformer from an electronic device that matched the voltage. I already had this push button electric switch here. I wired all into it. This clamp was in my shop, and I just drilled out the tripod mount, clamped it in so I can adjust it and pivot it all around wherever I want light. Works really cool. You can see how everything works. Put a slight bend in that bracket to point it down. And lights like this can be really expensive. This is a great project for anybody. It turned out really great. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy my channel. And I hope this inspires you. Go out and create. Thanks for watching.